I will talk about how can you log out of your account on your Brilli app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Brilli app. So all you have to do is so you just go down here, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do is so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down here, click here on logout. So when you just click here on logout, then it's going to take you out automatically of your account on your Brilli app. So that's all you have to do. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.